Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Jeep app not working. So let's get started. So here I will actually search for the Jeep live app. So I will search Jeep live app. You can see. So if it's not working, then here just open it and just click on here. Just click on this I button. Okay. So it will open the app info. Then you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Then click on the clear data option. Just clear the data. Then you have to open the Google Play Store, or if you are a Apple user, then open an Apple Store. Then at here you have to search for the Jeep app. Okay, so at here Jeep app. So here we can see my Jeep Life app. Okay, so at here you have to see for the update. If it shows the update, then you can update it and you can use it. If it's not, it's have been updated and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.